Hello students, good morning. Now today's topic we are going to start with your in your that is a horizontal line. Horizontal line means what happens uh, in your previous period. I told you, I've explained you what do you mean by how to give you background color, font color, anchor tag, that is your hyperlink. These are things we discussed in your previous period. Now today we are going to start with your new topic that is known as your HR tag. That means your horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. Now thing is that what happens whenever we are going to write, say, for getting this line, okay, for getting this horizontal line in this way, normally when we are typing without horizontal tag, see, if you are writing in this way, what happens, this will be my output. That means it will be in this way. Then whatever we are going to write, see, if I am writing anything, this is my output. Okay, suppose in case if I want to get an underline, if you will be using, as I told you, for underline which tag you are going to use, that is known as your U tag. Okay, U tag open and U tag close F5. Now you can see just we are getting this small underline over the particular text. Okay, now if you want the underline, that means the whole line, the whole thing should be in a horizontal line should be there. Okay, for that purpose we will be using an HR tag. For using this tag you have to use HR, now backspace. Okay, now over here also if I want to add something, HR, okay, hello. See, that means at top part, that means before writing hello, I want a horizontal line. This is the only reason I have written over here also HR tag. And bottom also, after writing hello word, I need to get a horizontal line at bottom of that particular word also. So that's why I've written over here also HR tag. Now you can see as an output, top part and bottom part I got horizontal line. Now if I'm writing welcome, now I'm writing over here HR tag. So what happens, now you can see, okay, in this way you can give your horizontal line. Okay, now next topic is about your pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text is an important topic. Actually, pre-formatted text means what happens, as I told you before, whenever if we are going to write in this way, suppose if I'm writing good morning students, good morning students, you, this thing I've written in two different lines. That means good morning students in one line, and in your next students I've written in your next line I've written how are you. Now, but the whole content will be coming in a same line. Can you see? The whole thing is in the same line. For dividing it or for breaking this thing, what we used to do, we use BR tag. Okay, and I told you, see, and I told you that what happens after using the BR tag, from that particular line the line used to break. Okay, and then it comes to your new line, it starts with a new line. Okay, in the same way, but in case if I don't want to use BR tag, sometimes if an invitation letter or any format text, that means if I want to write date, if I'm arranging a birthday party, okay, so my birthday, I'm arranging it on birthday party is on uh, this is my date, this is my venue. Okay, and over here I need some space which should be in this way. Okay, even though if I'm writing in this way, my output will be in this way. Can you see? See what I have done for my convenience as well as your for good looking, what I have done, I have written in this way. Okay, date and venue I've given so much space over here, then started I've written over here. Still my output is in single line, which is not in a proper format. For getting this, what we will be doing, we will be using the new tag that is known as your pre-tag. That means your pre-formatted text tag. See, now you can see the output. That means whatever I written, it will be coming in that particular method only. See, okay. Now if I'm writing over here, after giving some space, I've written here Surat also. See, after giving some space, the Surat has been written. But in case if I'm not using the pre-formatted text, so what happens? The whole content will be in your same line. That means date over here, venue will be here, Surat will be here. That means the whole content will be in a single line. For avoiding this, what we are using pre-formatted text. Today we learn two tags, that is your horizontal line, how to give horizontal line, and second thing we learn is your pre-formatted text. Okay, now suppose if I want some particular words should be in your bold letter. Okay, if I'm writing here Samadhi English Medium School. Okay, I've written this thing, Samadhi English Medium School. Now you can see the output of this. This is my output. That means it is not in a bold letter. In case if I want in a bold letter, either we can use your B tag. That means what happens, you can see it is in a bold letter, or we can use strong. Strong tag. See, both the outputs are same. Even though I am using B tag, that is a bold tag, or if I am using the strong tag, that is both the content, that means both the outputs will be same thing. Okay, understood? That means today we learned three things. First one is your horizontal line. For horizontal line, and one more thing, always remember when we are closing a tag, we are using this backspace over here. That means particular keywords, we are writing this particular keyword over here. Before that we will be using this particular backspace symbol. But over here in HR tag, what happens, we are after writing the keyword, we are going to write this backspace symbol. Okay, and this HR tag is here, what happens, it will be giving your horizontal line. According to here you can see, suppose in case if I want horizontal line over here also, I will be writing it as HR backspace. Now you can see the output as, see, over here also I got an horizontal line. Okay, this was the first thing. Now second was your pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text means what happens, if I want this to be written in whatever format I have written. That means if I am writing over here, if I'm writing respected sir, if we are writing some letter, okay, we have if I want this to be written in exact proper manner where how I have written here. Okay, so what happens, we will be using the pre-formatted text, so my output will be in this way. See, respected / ma'am, and there are some space over here which is given earlier in your notepad also, and particular message. In case I am giving a space over here, now you can see the output. One space has been added. If I want again here I want one more space, I can give enter, control plus save. Now see, this is my pre-formatted text. Okay, Now next tag is your strong tag. Strong tag, it is just like your bold tag only. As I told you before, bold, italic, underline. B tag is used for giving the words in a bold letter. Okay, in the same way we can use this strong tag also. Strong tag, what happens, the whole content will be in a bold letter. Okay, and you can see, compare these two fonts. See, okay. Now if I'm adding a B tag also, the whole same content will be there. B tag started and B tag closed. Now you can see the output. See, both the things are in the same way. Okay, I hope you all understood today's topic. Three topics I explained you. First one is your horizontal tag, second pre-formatted tag, and the third one is your strong tag or bold tag. Okay, thank you, students.